Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about Rolle's theorem. So now I will show you how to answer. Verify that F satisfies the hypothesis of Rolle's theorem on the interval from 0 to a. So now I will show you how to answer. We know that about Rolle's theorem, we have three conditions in here. The first one about the square bracket from A to B, that should be about continuous. About parentheses from A to B, they can differentiation. I just write differentiate in here. And the last one, f of A equal to f of B. Then we know that that should be about the value of C, and C should be about between A and B. So we will have about first derivative of the function as s equal to c equal to number 0. So we look on the graph, we see that we have from 0 to a in here. We see that this is about continuous function from 0 to a. So we satisfy about this one. For open interval from 0 to a, we can see that we can do about differentiation here. That means we have the tangent. The next one, f of 0 equal to f of a. So if we look on the graph, at s equal to number 0, you got about number 3. At s equal to number a, you got about number 3. So that should be about number 3 in here. So we have three conditions, and they are satisfied all of them. That means we will have about the value of C on the open interval from 0 to a. They will have about first derivative of the function of C equal to number 0. So if you look on the graph, first derivative of the function equal to number 0, that should be about the critical points. Of functions. So that means we can find about the local mass and local mean. So this one we see that we have one point in here and another point in here. So this is about number 1. This point in here, that's about number 5. And we have true value of C, that's about C equal to number 1, C equal to number 5. So that when we put number 1 and number 5 in here, first derivative of the function f of s equal to number 0. So because this is about the local mean and local mass of the function in here, so we just have only 2 values in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.